Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to make a chat overlay for Twitch, Kick, YouTube, whatever you want. It also supports multi-chat. One disclaimer, it's experimental and subject to change. That's what Streamerbot says. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on chat. It's going to pop open our chat. And the next thing that we want to do is we're going to go into the cogwheel on the right here. We're going to go into the settings here. And we're going to go into overlay. And like I said, chat overlay is experimental. And here's all your settings for your overlay. You can mess with these. But after we've messed with our settings, we're going to want to go ahead and copy these. We're going to want to go into OBS. And I put mine in my nesting. We're going to want to enter. Oh, 1 second. It's about to get weird in here. Okay. So we're going to hit the plus sign here. We're going to browser. And I'm just going to name this chat overlay. Hit OK. And then we're going to want to put that thing that we just copied in the URL box right here. Hit OK. And then if you notice, if we type in here, it says loading right there. Hold on. Yeah. And that's because we got to go into our WebSocket server and we got to hit start server. And I keep mine on auto start. And then now if we type in our chat, it shows up here. It also works with Kick. Kick slow. There it is. And YouTube, but you have to be streaming for YouTube. Anyhow, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch. Hit the subscribe button, follow me on TikTok. I'll see you next time. Bye.